What's up, garden friends? Jeff, your tropical plant party. How's everybody doing? I hope you're good. I'm great. We have a plant haul. Another plant haul. This order here is from Burpee. I did order plants and seeds from them. The seeds arrived months ago, like a week or two after I placed the order. Plants are just now rolling in. Today is May 11th, so a little bit slow getting these out, but they're here. All right, let's get this guy opened up. Now, I did already slice the box open, pulled out my invoice. You don't need to see that. That's got all my personal stuff on it. But it did come with some care guides, which is nifty. One on tomatoes, and that's just like a general care guide. Got a coupon here for $10 off. That's nice. And a little pamphlet here, how to grow your stuff. That's all fine and dandy, but we're here for the plants. Let's dig in. Plenty of paper in here. Go ahead and pull that out. Part of my cat scratch, sorry about that. Some filler, so things aren't wiggling around too much. Okay, a lot of filler. I see that, and it looks like there's a box over here and a box over here, and more stuffing. Go ahead and just start with what's obvious. What's going on here? Oh, okay. That looks a little bit messy. I'm going to say these are the tomatoes, because they look like tomatoes. They look like they have seen better days. It's kind of a neat little piece they put them in, though. I don't mind that. It's supposed to get up to 90 today. Okay, all right. So open this on its side. We just learned something. These are absolutely soaked. A little bit wonky. There's some yellowing on the leaves. Man, these are messy. These are the steak sandwich hybrids. They're a nice big beefy tomato. I had these last year and they're just a little bit dirty. Falling over. What is that? So these guys are going to need to be staked up from the get-go. That was fun. Moving on. Another one of these plastics in here. Okay, also got some dirt in it. A lot of dirt. I can't necessarily blame Burpee for that, because, I mean, that could just be the post office. Okay, and these are the Tomato Superstar Hybrids. I don't actually remember ordering. I thought I ordered the Tasty Lees. Let me look at my invoice. No, it says Super Tasty Hybrid. Is that maybe another name for the Tasty Lee? Maybe it's going to be delicious. I do not know. Let me pull up its description so I can talk about it and see maybe what that was all about. Okay, well, according to the website, it says that these are bushy, disease-free, vigorous, and productive. Its fruit has a rich, tangy flavor, and its color is saturated deep red inside and out. Space-saving habit with minimal staking required. I mean, they're already falling over, so we'll see about that. They are semi-determinate, can be grown in containers, 70 days to maturity, fruit weight of 7 to 8 ounces, spread 18 inches, and full sun. I don't remember ordering these. But I mean, well, I guess we'll find out if they're good. The other tomato is a sandwich type also, and usually I would order a smaller and a larger, but okay, now there are 2 boxes in here. I'm gonna open those up and come right back. All right, so now we've got these guys. This package threw me off just a little bit because it has the arrows pointing up, but there's nowhere to open it on top. Common sense, airplanes. And then I just figured they meant open it from the side. So, in here, these are Petunia Evening Scent. They've seen better days, but I mean, they're actually fairly well, nicely sized developed plants for being mail order. The evening scent petunias are supposed to have a really nice, sweet, strong fragrance. That's something I love in petunias. In the last several years with the hybrids, we've lost a lot of the fragrance that was so great with petunias. This is supposed to be one that you do not have to deadhead, so that is exciting to have one that smells nice and doesn't need deadheading. Full sun, 12 to 18 inches height, 5 to 8. The tag doesn't really give anything very specific about them. You can see right here they're a nice kind of purpley color, a little bit of yellow on the inside of the flower. That's really pretty. I have noticed proven winners. A few of their Supertunias smell kind of nice. There's this one called like Morning something. I don't know. It's a purple one. I bought it by mistake thinking it was a Petcoa, and it said Supertunia on the tag, which I didn't notice until I got home. The flowers were so small, I just thought it was a Calabac or a pet. The flowers smell nice, but however, these flowers are supposed to smell very nice. We will see. And more petunias packaged in an interesting manner. Use a tripod if you're going to hold the camera the whole time. It doesn't make any sense. We have to lift them both out at the same time. So there's one. Go, and the other. These are larger pots, which is good because I remember their price was a little bit high for these, and I was like, can Can you please explain that to me? Why are you gonna be more expensive? But that makes more sense. They're larger plants. Not that much though. Plants are expensive this year. Anybody else notice that? So over here to the left, I have 3 of the pink sky petunias, which are very, very beautiful. Similar to the night sky, but they're pink. Like I said, I placed the order in January only because I wasn't sure if the nurseries around me would have them, and I wanted to have some just in case. And it turns out the nurseries everywhere have them around here, so I didn't really need them. I have some extras now, but that's okay. I actually kind of wanted a few more, so worked out well. And I will say they are rooted into these pots pretty well. Okay, and then here inside this carrier, Thunbergia Arizona Rose Sensation. I don't know why, but I was really excited about this particular black-eyed Susan. Are y'all gonna be a tangly mess? Get them out of the carrier. Okay, so I'll go ahead and read the description from the website on the Thunbergia Arizona Rose Sensation. Pink flowers with dark centers on vigorous vines will complete a sunny patio. Whimsical pink petals with dark centers and an old-fashioned beauty spiral upward for a sweet profusion of color. Flowering, vigorous vines climb a trellis or trail from hanging baskets. Maybe. These look like they're going to vine pretty heavily. The lush green foliage and bountiful wondrous blooms will complete the corners of a sunny patio. I mean, it doesn't really say much. Height 6 to 8 feet, full sun spread 2 to 3 feet. It is an annual growth habit vine. So basically, I just thought it was pretty. A nice pink black-eyed Susan. I like it a lot. So that is everything. The tomatoes looking kind of shabby. I think that must have just been handled very rough by the postage person. We'll say just because people usually ask, the back of the invoice does talk about their guarantee. Packets 1 year, perennial plants, bulbs, trees, and fruit 1 year, annual flowers, vegetables, and herb plants 90-day guarantee, and general merchandise 90 days. I don't really have any experience with their customer service because I haven't really had any problems before, which is a good sign. Everything does seem to be rooted really well. Plants are pretty large for mail order. They're looking shabby, but like I said, I'm gonna put that on the postage company, not them, because this was all packaged up very well. Now, maybe putting those green plastics on their side, the greatest idea, but I mean, they're too tall to go up and down. Maybe that's something they could work on. I don't know. But what I do know is I need to go ahead and get these tomatoes cleaned up, and they look like they had a rough few days. All right, but that's gonna do it. It was just a few plants, just a quick little haul, a kind of review of their annuals and vegetables. Quick and easy. Hope everybody's doing well. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It helps the videos a lot, and I really do appreciate every single one of those. Subscribe as well. Upload multiple times a week. I'll link all my social media stuff down below, down there in the roots of the video. You can follow me. I'll follow you back, and we can look at each other's plant pictures. It's a lot of fun. Also, comment down below just because I really enjoy hearing from everybody. If you guys ordered from Burpee, other seed places, or annual, perennial places, tell me some of your favorites, some of your least favorites. Just talk. It's fun nerding out with my plant friends. And most importantly, as always, everybody, keep on growing. Bye-bye. That's probably why my lens keeps getting so dirty.